Friends telling you to just say no.
Hey babes, welcome back. So as you can see, I got my brows done. I don't know why I included that clip. So let me just let you guys know real quick. This is going to be a two-part video, still within the same video, so don't worry. Alright, so the first leg of this video, which is from now to about minute 2.5 or something like that, I'm going to be showing you guys clips like this, you know, basically how I achieve the eye look. This is for anyone that doesn't want to, you know, that just wants to watch eye makeup video without really, you know, knowing exactly how to get it down or whatever. This is my first time doing this, and I really just wanted to share with you guys exactly how I got this eye look, just in case someone else would like to learn how to do it, you know. And I was really proud of myself for actually doing this actually. So if you don't want to hear my voice or whatever explaining, you know, how I got this eye look, just mute the video now so you don't have to hear my voice. But for those who did mute the video, thank you. For those who didn't, you know, you want to learn exactly how to get this eye look, I'm going to share that with you guys at about minute 2.5 or so. Okay, so just fast forward to that. So I'm going to give you guys a very detailed quote-unquote tutorial about how I got this look. So just remember, so if you want to do this, if you have the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, go ahead and pick it up. If you don't, just grab a Morphe palette, you will be fine, literally. Okay, and if you have a glitter liner, go ahead and pick it up. If you have any concealer that you use to set your lid and a translucent or a whitish base powder, go ahead and pick it up as well. And your wing liner and lashes, that's what we're going to need. Okay, alright, so to get started, we're going into the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I've already set the lid, guys. So I'm picking up the shade Bore, which is a pinkish shade. It has a little bit of specks of shimmer in it. I'm putting this in my crease. Now if you have hooded eye, a way for you to know your crease is by just pressing in your lid, and that bone area, that's your crease. Okay, so I'm going to do the shade Giza, and I'm going to put this in my brow bone. Make sure I dust off the excess. I just want this to be very, very subtle. Alright, now next shade is the shade Ada, which is a nice brownish shade, and I'm just going to put this in the crease as well below Boris, and mainly focus it in my outer corner and wing it out with whatever is left on the small detailed fluffy brush. And as you guys can see, I really concentrated on blending, you know, concentrated on, you know, just focused on blending. I didn't want to rush it or whatever. Okay, now we're gonna cut the crease. See, it's very, very simple. Apply the concealer. For hooded eyes, ladies and gents, be sure to look up. When you look up, the concealer will transfer. So where the concealer transfers stop, that's where you want your concealer to get up to, you know. That's what I noticed. Like ever since I started doing this, it started to open my lid more, and it just gives me the illusion of having a huge lid, which I don't have a lot of lid space. So when you do this trick and you look up when you apply concealer, it will give you that illusion, which is really cool. Now I'm going back in with the shade Ada, and I'm going to focus this on my outer crease. You know, I'm going to blend, you know, use it to blend the concealer in, so that way like there's no harsh line at the end of the concealer. Okay, and I set it with the RCA Mineral Color Powder. Now going with a flat concealer brush, I'm going to go ahead and pack my first shade on top of that concealed area. Okay, the first shade I'm using is shade Cairo, and you know, it's a nice shimmery orange tone type of shade, and I'm just going to pack this in. I'm going to pack this on top of the concealer without spraying it first, this so that I can know exactly where the shade is going to go, and then I'm going to go ahead and spray it to have more pigment. Now you're going to see that I'm going to go into the second eye to try to match the other eye, because you know, I got more color payoff after I sprayed on the other eye, so I need to match it. Okay, so now second shade, I'm going back into the shade Giza, and I'm going to pop this on the other half of my lid, starting from the inner corner and stopping where the shade Cairo stopped. And I'm just packing this on. I didn't spray this at all, you know, because it's really, really nicely pigmented on its own, so I didn't need to spray it at all. Now I'm going back on the shade Ada, and I'm going to go ahead and blend out any harsh line in between Cairo and Giza, you know, so that it can look like, you know, it's faded into one another. Okay, I'm just gonna try and use it to, like, you know, detail anything that I need to detail. Now I'm gonna grab this is a glitter lash and liner or whatever it's called. It's by W7. If you have any glitter, you can go ahead and use this. If you don't, you can just skip this step, okay? So as you can see, I'm just using the glitter to line my crease area, and I'm gonna follow this not all the way through. I'm gonna stop, what is it, a third of the way. I'm not gonna take it all the way down to my outer corner. I'm gonna stop right here, okay? And I'm going to focus, like if you need to breathe, breathe. And just focus on this, okay? Focus on that. Okay, so now we're gonna draw a wing. I'm using the Inglot's number 77 gel liner. I absolutely love this, and I'm using the Inglot's 31T brush, angled brush, to draw a wing. You don't need this. If you have a felt tip liner, pen, you know, liner, just go ahead and use that to draw a wing. Draw a wing whichever way you want, and you don't need to draw a wing if you don't want to, but I felt like this look needed a wing. So after this, I'm going to go ahead and pick up the NYX white liner, and I'm just gonna follow the top of the black wing liner all the way through from the inner corner to the outer corner. And I'm gonna make it a little bit, tiny little bit thick, just a little bit thick, okay? So I'm just gonna put this on top of the black liner. So after we've successfully achieved the other step, now I'm gonna apply mascara to the lashes before putting lashes on. The lashes I'm using here is by Lovable Lashes. It's in the style Pandora Princess. For the lips, guys, I actually use the eyeshadow palette in combination with the Maybelline lipstick or whatever that I'm gonna put down below, okay? Now under the eye, I just basically mixed the shade Ada and Cara together and smudged it on my lower lash line. Alright, so that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see any more videos like this, okay? Thank you so much for watching once again, and as always, whatever you're doing, so love yourself, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye bye.